welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is some really nice tortilla wraps. These are tomato and herb wraps, quite nice, like big ones. And I've got some, I'm going to do it with chicken. Got some chicken here. Got some this is already pre-made potato salad. I've got some little spring onions, tomatoes, garlic, cucumber, some little sweet peppers, white onion, some cheese, tarragon, and some like this mustard. And it's just like Romanian. It's like English mustard, but not as harsh. And it's a bit like hot dog mustard, but this is even better. So this is really, really nice. Oh, that's my rubbish bag. Pepper, olive oil, and obviously a bit of salt. So, did I say tarragon? I think I did. Anyway, we'll crack on, get this going, and I'll show you how these come out. And they're really, really good. So, see you soon.
Oh, this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under.
One eternity later.
The knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin. Beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. I excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day.
So now our chicken's cooked. Add a couple of 3 tablespoons of mustard. Lovely, so we'll put that into a bowl, clean this pan out, and we'll crack on. So see you in a minute.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we're back. So what I'm going to do is these wraps. What I'm going to do is get cut it from the centre, cut a little quarter out of it. Well, just cut it through from the centre out, and we get our. I've changed it obviously. I'm going to put a bit of coleslaw in this corner. I don't go too mad because otherwise it ends up too bulky. Like that. In this corner, peppers, spring onions and potato salad. These will be Mrs. Urban's. So I'll put some cucumber in the corner. In this corner, our chicken, which is done with garlic and onions, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a bit of Romanian mustard. In this corner, some cheese. I think we can go a little bit more coleslaw in this corner. And all we do is roll it over. Roll it over again. And we've had cheese. We'll roll it over again. Give it a nice little squash down. And we'll make another one. So now these two are done, we'll get these to the pan and and we'll see you in a minute.
Boys don't cry under the influence. You and I did not make a sense. Tell me why you're putting on offense. Boys don't cry, boys don't cry. Endless game, when's it gonna end? We became what we should condemn. You and I, we were more than friends. Boys don't cry, boys don't cry. Look ahead, somewhere down the line, words unsaid, will they undermine? Dry your eyes, everything's just fine. Boys don't cry, boys don't cry. Wearing thin, is it just for show? Where you been? I don't wanna know. You say hi when you're leaning low. Boys don't cry, boys don't cry.
Okay, so there we go. We've got a nice little wraps done up in like quarters. We had chicken, coleslaw, potato salad, peppers and spring onions, bit of salt and pepper on the chicken, like garlic and onions, and Romanian mustard. It's really tasty. So thank you very much. Give them a try because these are really tasty, because I've done these with lamb the other day and they were really tasty. So these are going to be really good. So thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy and stay safe. Cheers guys. See you later.